Let's do it. Yes, people, you can do better than that. And now I'm gonna prove it to you. This is channel Max Bot. I share insights through the lens of decades of experience. And I also want to share with you my competent AI assistant, which monitors the market and gives detailed reports on key indicators and gives advice on them. You can get the robot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. And to always get valuable information and motivation quickly and on time, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. I will be very happy with your likes and comments. I just received a recommendation from a bot for the Euro, Canadian dollar currency pair, 5-minute timeframe. Active buy. 6 indicators are burning green. The bot showed me that buyers are ready to move higher. The frequency of data update in the robot is 1 minute. We can see from the historical data that in the past half hour, the bulls have indeed ridden a powerful upward momentum. A trend has been formed. Volumes are screaming about it. Green bars are everywhere. I think that the potential of the buyers will not completely run out anytime soon. Therefore, the price will be able to go higher above the entry point. Friends, now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All affiliates will get it. To become an affiliate, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience, it is not financial advice, I show how I do it. Let's begin with the foundation, money management. After every chart glance and signal alert, the first question must be, what percentage of my account am I risking? Real risk control isn't sexy, it's essential. Trade size must never exceed 1 to 2% of your total deposit. If you've got $500, that means risking $5 to $10 per trade. Stick to it. That is the line between survival and blowout. Why? Because trading isn't a sprint, it's a long-distance race. You don't blow your entire bankroll on a single run and call it a day. You preserve, you pace, you endure. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Losses. They are inevitable. You'll see green candles flip to red, sometimes before you blink. That's normal. It's not failure, it's data. Every losing trade is a lesson learned. Consider Steve Jobs. He got fired from Apple, then returned to build it into one of the most valuable companies on earth. Think of Rocky balancing defeat and hope, rising again scene after scene. Michael Jordan missed thousands of shots before reaching greatness. These are proof points. Loss isn't loss if it teaches. And if you refuse to quit, it transforms into resilience. That's the mindset shift you need. But resilience doesn't mean going solo. This is where my smart AI assistant comes in. It's not a profit promise, it's a precision tool. It scans markets, tracks momentum, identifies meaningful setups, and plays guardrail to emotional impulses and fuzzy judgment. And right now, it's free. For the next month, you can integrate advanced analytics into your routine at no cost. After that, it goes premium. If you're serious about improving trade quality, link in the description, grab it now. And I just completed my first operation. It was quality work. Thanks to the artificial intelligence for their expert assistance. We help with training. To chat about training, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. So, Australian and American dollar, 5 minutes. The recommendation from the bot is active buying. 7 indicators are burning green. I can see from the historical data that in the past hour the uptrend has changed to a steady sideways movement. I think that now the market will feel oversold and the momentum will allow the bulls to improve their positions a bit. The movement will take place within the corridor. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. Link below the video. I know once struggling traders who quit their 9 to 5, started following structure, used consistent entry rules, kept their risk limits, and turned serious profits. They didn't win with one trade, they won with discipline, process, and tools. Yes, trading involves risk. Like starting a business, writing a book, or training for a marathon. It's not automatic, but risk managed well? That's how real progress starts. Let's talk chart analysis. You're not flipping coins, you're reading signals. After every session, review every entry and exit. Ask, did I follow my setup? Did I use indicators correctly? RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, moving averages? Did I close trades based on fear or emotion? Was I scaling in and out consistently? Did I chase a trade after a loss? If you're not journaling, you're repeating mistakes. Patterns emerge, not only in price action, but in your mindset. That's where consistency comes from. That's how you move from guessing to mastering. Tell me in the comments, what indicator are you trusting right now? What entry setup have you tested? How do you manage your emotions? Let's build real insight here, together. No fluff. Just tested ideas. Community matters. If this message resonates, hit like. Subscribe. If you want content that cuts through noise with practical advice and real strategies. Trading isn't easy, but it doesn't need to be complicated. Stick to your rules. Protect your capital. Analyze your actions. Use smart tools. Stay patient. You're not alone. You're not behind. You're choosing to learn in a marketplace full of hype and shortcuts. That alone sets you apart. Your next breakthrough is ahead. Not guaranteed, but possible, if you show up. Again and again. So get back on that platform. Trade your plan. Log your results. Stay disciplined. And grow something real. Let's keep building. So, I'm almost to the finish line. You can see my results on your screens, folks. Subscribe to my Telegram channel with useful information for you. Get the bot for free and forever. Links are in the description. I'll be back to you soon with more important thoughts. Bye.